Alright guys, so we just went to check a job. We booked it for tomorrow because it was raining, but we decided since we were there, we had an empty truck, it's kind of smart to start putting stuff in your truck. And that way the job's locked in. I learned that. So if you go to do an estimate and the guy's like, yeah, okay, show up tomorrow, do the job, what could happen is they could hire somebody else in the meantime, and then you're out of a job. They'll call you later and say, oh, sorry, bro, we don't need your service. So it's kind of smart to do. There's still some shit in your truck before you leave that job. You can't do it that day. So that's what we did. We loaded up all the pallets. I think we got like 20 pallets. And this big barrier thing, it's like a big, I don't know, big barrier. We got a brand new pallet jack that I don't know, we'll either sell it or keep it, put it in the warehouse so we can have it and move shit around. Yeah, so that way tomorrow we'll have a truckload of stuff. Got all the bulky stuff, so everything left there for tomorrow when we go pick it up. What we've done is we've secured the job for one, and tomorrow it's all just trash loads. There may be some recyclables, but it looked like a bunch of trash. And then the guy was like, oh, we didn't check the bags. And then I asked him, we loaded these up, I'm like, oh, what's in the bags? He's like, oh, a bunch of cat shit. So it's full of kitty litter and shit. There's a bunch of those bags, so it's gonna be kind of heavy. But that's okay, because we did it at two loads. So it's a good $1,150 job, and we probably have one more truckload and we'll be out of there. It'll take us an hour. We do shout out to my boys, DFW Junk Guys. They're coming here, coming to San Diego. Junk Guys, San Diego. Stay tuned. Alright, so if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, follow us. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all our social media. It really helps us out. So anyway, you guys stay safe, stay fit, keep hustling, make some cheddar.